Each year, Spokane Public Schools upgrades facilities throughout the district to meet changing program needs, improve safety, and extend the useful life of buildings. These annual projects are the result of a collaborative process. A comprehensive list of needs is submitted by staff and parents, district facility, maintenance, operations, and safety personnel, and then prioritized by the Capital Projects and Planning Department. Using bond dollars for these projects also allows SPS to receive approximately $39.9 million in financing assistance from the state of Washington to help complete these projects. Projects include remodeling and upgrading classrooms and interior spaces, updating playground equipment and surface material, roofing replacements, air system improvements, interior-exterior finish improvements, and more. Many of these projects are completed during summer break for minimal disruption to the learning process. Learn more about each of our planned bond projects at SpokaneSchools.org/2024bond.